Hello Friendos and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I finally got my box from Sydney Grace Cosmetics that I picked up during the Christmas and July sale. I'm going to unbox that with you guys. I did take advantage of a deal where I was going to get $100 worth of mystery products. So let's see what's inside this package. And if this sounds like your idea of a good time, please go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, and Friendos, just stay tuned. So guys, bit of a confession, this box that came was so small I was convinced that they were not going to have $100 worth of product in here, or that maybe the palette that I had ordered was missing, so I did technically already unbox this. However, I did have help and it was at 4 o'clock in the morning like 2 or 3 nights ago. I don't really remember what all we had. It's a good thing that I did already unbox it because I have what's in here written down. Someone wrote it down for me and it's organized. You're going to see why in just a second. So to start out with, I want to show you guys what I actually bought intentionally. So I got the Tropicolor palette. This is from the Fancy Face. Now, I'm going to be honest, I did not know who this creator was, so I was really glad to find their channel here on YouTube, and I did subscribe. Apparently they, like me, like color. So apparently the creator, just like me, likes some color. Like, look at these beautiful shades in here. I can't wait to do a look with this one. And then the second and last item that I intentionally bought was the Mel Thompson bundle. This is the Mel's Memory bundle, and it was a bunch of single shadows. Oh, I'm struggling to get it out. It is 20 single shadows, my friend, and I needed someone to go through and categorize these for me because they were all packed in together. Even the single shadows that I got that were technically for the mystery bundle. Whoa! So Friendos, all of these were in the box together. They were not sorted out away from what was considered to be my mystery bundle. So they definitely needed some organization. I'm gonna go and put these in a safe spot and then we'll get into the mystery bundle. So guys, I was shocked. And this tiny little package was supposed to be $100 worth of product, and I was convinced there's no way that it's in here. But Friendos, we tallied up the value. There's $149 worth of free goodies that they picked out for me in this box. So the first thing that I got was a blush, and that's the Peaches and Cream blush. I did right on the outside to make it a little bit easier for me. This is how they're all packaged. In case you've never ordered from Sydney Grace before, they come in, I don't want to call it flimsy packaging, but I was expecting this to come in boxes. They come in sleeves. All I've ever bought from Sydney Grace before has been her palettes, so this was a surprise to me. I'm not really complaining here, I'm just bringing it to your attention. Then I got an eyeshadow brush. Now I have no idea which eye brush this is. So I'll show you guys. Maybe one of you with really good eyes can figure out which one this is. But from the outside, I could not read what number they had on here. So I'm gonna hold it up. You guys tell me. The stamp is a thick stamp. It's kind of blurry. So it looks like it might say E03 is what I think I'm seeing. It might be E02 or E01. Definitely an E, definitely a 0, and then a blob. I don't know. Either way, this feels really nice. And in case you're wondering, Sydney Grace Cosmetics is made in the United States. So if that's important to you, this is a great indie brand to shop from. Okay, so now we have a liquid eyeshadow, and this one is called Awkward Silence. So this one did come in a regular carton. I've not got to try this out. Let's give it a go. That's really pretty. That's way prettier than what I thought it was gonna look like. I'm impressed with this. There's hints of gold, gray, purple, and it looks like a little bit of tawny brown in there. But look at how smooth, you guys. Then I got some of her setting powder. So this is the Cloud 9 setting powder. I've not opened this. Oh, the packaging is really cute. This kind of reminds me of a Becca style packaging. Nice rose gold, Sydney Grace imprint on the front. Let's see if this is actually finely milled. I really like a very finely milled powder. I don't know. You guys see that? Doesn't look like it's that finely milled. Not sure if I'm gonna like this or not. We will put it to the test in a try on video. Now I got a highlighter. Now this one's called Pink Lightning. I'm going to unbox this, but this will most likely be going in a giveaway for one of you guys. Beautiful packaging, very similar to what we just looked at. Here's the back. You can see what the shade is. I'm not going to shake any out because it's going to go in a giveaway. I don't normally wear highlighters, so this does look gorgeous, but I don't normally wear a highlighter. I have pores that I could serve side dishes in, so yeah, I'm not trying to bring any attention to those. Okay, now we have something that's called Welcome to the Family, and I'm not really sure what it is, so let's see. This just says that it is a pressed pigment. So I'm assuming this is supposed to be something akin to an eyeshadow. I'll be honest with you, I don't know why they're calling this a pressed pigment when this looks like a powder product. I feel like I got a misnamed box. And guys, my sister just confirmed to me she could not find this anywhere on Sydney Grace's website. So yeah, I'm not really sure what to do with this. It might end up going in the giveaway. We shall see. Okay, so you can tell we've reached the end of the box. I was really hoping that we would find a palette in here of some sort. The brand did just release some new palettes, but unfortunately I did not get any in my mystery bundle. If you purchased a mystery bundle, let me know what was in yours. Now, check out these single shadows. In here are 14 single shadows that were not included in the InMail's memory bundle. Now, all of their shadows usually range between $5.75 and $6.25. So a little bit of a price discrepancy there. Not much, but the median price on this would be $5.75 each. So that's where the value comes in. Let's check these out. So the first single shade that I got is one called Absolute Zero. I won't be swatching all of these. Some of these will be going in a giveaway, I'm sure, because I'm not in love with single shadows just as a whole, but I did want to put together a Z palette. It'll be really the first Z palette that I've put together on my own. So this one is blue. It's gorgeous. This is going to be one that I'm going to keep. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. So beautiful. Love that dark navy, almost violet vibe. If you guys have ever wondered what the quality is like on Sydney Grace, well then it is very much akin to Natasha Denona. So this one's called Coffee Snob. It's brown. I think I probably already have something similar to this. And just in case I do, I'm not going to take this out and swatch it. I'm going to set it aside, and this is probably going to go in the giveaway at the end of the month. Okay, this one is called Sailor at Sea. I think I have something that's going to be very, very close to this in her Mountain Trail palette. Oh, it's so dark. I don't have anything like this, I don't think. I'm going to check and see if the shade is the same, but if not, I likely will be keeping this one for myself. So yeah, we have another brown shade. I probably have something similar to this and a single shadow somewhere, so I'll put that to the side. My sister wants you all to know that she worked hard on this Z palette for me. I can tell she really did.
I don't know.
Thank you, Pollywog. Okay, no way I'm giving away this one. This one's called Plum Power. It is beautiful. It is, of course, a very pretty purple. All right, so here we go. Giving that a swatcheroo. Woo, so smooth. I just stuck my fingernail in it, so this one is mine forever. Alrighty, so let me put this one away before I damage it any further. Okay, this one is super pretty too. This one's called Orion Nebula. This one is a gorgeous, it looks like it's a duochrome for a hot pink and then also a more purpley magenta. I'm gonna set this one aside. I might have something similar to this in the InMail's memory. And if I do, then I will put this into the giveaway. So won't swatch it right now. We'll see. Now we have Time to Celebrate. This one also looks like one that would be in the InMail's memory bundle. I know it's not, but similar shade. This is gonna go in the giveaway. It's a nice rich pinky mauve. Ooh, then we have Crashing Waves. I need to see how similar this is to one of the other shades I have in a Sydney Grace palette before I determine whether or not I'll keep this one or whether or not it will go in the giveaway. So it's like a dark, dark navy blue matte. Next we have the name that Justin just loved. It's called Rainbow Mountain. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not really sure what shade this is, so I'm going to swatch this one and find out. So it looks kind of purpley. I'm wondering if this is a duochrome. Looks like it is. I think it has a copper reflect with a purple base is what it looks like. Okay, this one's really pretty. It's called Phoenix Awakens. This looks like a burgundy. Ooh, it's like a burgundy copper. I'm so tempted to keep this one. I might put it in the giveaway though, so I'm not gonna swatch it. Okay, this one has thrown me off. I wanna find out, why is this called Pink Water? It's purple. See that, you guys? You agree that's purple, right? All right, so let's give this a swatch. Okay, so it's kind of pinky. It's really more purple. Then we have the next chapter. You guys, Sydney Grace mattes, they're some of the best mattes. I would even say that some of them are better than Natasha Denona mattes. This one is so pretty. I want to swatch it, but it might go in the giveaway because I do have shades that are similar to this. So I'm not going to swatch it. For reference though, I'm going to pull out this palette right here and I'll swatch one of these for you. One of the mattes. Isn't that pretty? Very nice, very creamy, very opaque. Very impressive. Okay, then we have Refuge. So I got a lot of purple shimmery shades. This is one of them. There she is. So I won't be keeping all of them. I will put at least one in the giveaway. Trying to be really careful and not mess any of these up. And then the very last one is Together Forever, and that one's another brown shade. I'm not going to unpack this one. I'm just going to leave it over here. And now, you guys, I want to give you my final thoughts on this box. So overall, I feel like I got a very good value for what I paid for. So they promised that if I spent $100, that I would get $100 worth of mystery products in addition to what I bought. I spent, I think, around 120, 110, 120, and then I got these products that equaled out to be $149, as I've told you before. So if you're someone who loves single shadows, you would probably like the mystery bundles that they do with Cindy Grace. If you're someone who is more of a palette gal, this might not be for you. I'll be honest, I'm more of a palette gal than I am a single shadows lady. And they did just launch a host of new palettes, so I wish I would have gotten at least one, but I do have to be realistic. It is a mystery box, so I can't be too picky when I know in advance that I'm not getting to choose the product. Now this right here, look at that. It's not budging. That's looking really good. I can't wait to try this out on my eyes. We will do a try on video. Maybe I got a little bit. Yeah, it will spread out a little bit. We will do a try on video. I'll test some of these out for you. If there's something that you saw in the video that you really want to see me test it out here on my channel, be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what has piqued your interest. Also, let me know, do you want to see a look with the Tropicolor palette or with the InMails Memory Bundle? I am more than happy to do either or both looks, so just let me know. Before we leave out today, my sister would like to remind you all that she is the best, she is the ruler of the free world, and she is the master and commander. Hey, I said it. You win. You win! Let me know if you purchased anything during the Christmas and July sale. I want to hear what you decided to purchase. Y'all know I love to chat it up with you guys in the comment section. And now, my guys, I must bid you all adieu. If you did like seeing what I picked up during the sale and seeing what I got in my mystery bundle, please don't hesitate to give this video a like, subscribe if you have not done so already, because if not, we'll both have to live in the sorrow of never knowing what could have been. Alright guys, have a marvelous day. Bye.